Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until you get it right. Let's start our trial for today. We have completed half the question paper, that is still question number 25. We have completed for SOF International Maths Olympiad Set C 2022-23 question paper. I will attach the link of the previous videos in the description of this particular video, and somewhere on the right hand side top of this video you can find the entire playlist for SOF Maths Olympiad for class 6. If you want to watch all those videos and learn along with me, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. Let's start with question number 26. Question number 26 says the given figure shows 4 nails of different lengths. What is the nail length of the shortest nail? So for P nail, I have drawn from the head of this particular nail till the scale given below a straight line. This is not exactly a straight line. For in this kind of questions in the question paper, take a ruler, draw a straight line from the head till the scale. Similarly, from the tip of the nail, draw a straight line to the scale given below. Okay, then you will get correct accurate measurement. Then what you do, because nail P is not kept at the 0, so it's not coinciding with the 0. The head of the tail is far away from the 0 centimeter. So what did you do? How will you find? Suppose it is 9 centimeter. This tip of the nail is not touching, but this line from straight line is touching 9 centimeter. 9 minus, and this one is 1.4. So subtract it, then only, because we have not put the nail touching with, coinciding with 0 centimeter. So you have to subtract like this. So here if you subtract, what will you get? 10 minus 0 is 6, the decimal point. What remains here is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So like this we will get length of the nail P as 7.6 centimeters. So this is an assumption. I don't have a ruler. I don't have a ruler to draw a straight line, but in actual question paper, similarly take for Q, draw a straight line till the scale from the tip and from the head of the nail Q. Then check out what is the measurement given, subtract like we did for Q, and similarly for R and S. Then you will understand from the measurements which is the smallest one out of this 4, and then take the correct answer. Okay, I have told you the way to solve it. This can be done in actual question paper using ruler. So I leave the correct answer to be done in actual question paper. Okay, do let me know if you catch hold of the question paper and you get to solve it. Please let me know in the comment section what will be the actual answer. I would love to hear from you. So let's start with question number 27. It says that what is the ratio of unshaded area to the shaded area in the given figure? So there are many rectangles or blocks in this particular figure. Let's understand total number of blocks in this figure. If you see how many rows are there, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I multiply number of rows to number of columns, it will give me the total number of blocks or rectangles given in this entire figure. So 4 into 6 is 24. 24 blocks are there. Out of that, we need to find ratio of unshaded area to the shaded area. Now for shaded area, fully shaded blocks are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you take these two, they will form 7, right? This particular triangle and this particular triangle together will form 7th block. And similarly here, these two will form 8th block. And this block here, okay, this one is 1, not here. This block here and this block on the right, they will form 9. So total number of blocks like this, I'll just erase this part and write 7 here. So total number of blocks which are shaded are 9 in number. And what is unshaded? 9 shaded blocks. Similarly, what is unshaded? 24 minus 9, that is 16. Not 24, that is 15. 15 is unshaded number of blocks are 15. So now we need to find the ratio. So 15 is to 9 because unshaded area to shaded area. So what is 15 is to 9? We need to remove the common factor. We have to make it a pure number. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So it is 5 is to 3. Which option holds good? Option B. So for question number 27, B option 5 is to 3 is the correct answer. So let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 28. Question number 28 says, find the number of matchsticks used in pattern 37. Okay, pattern 1 has got 3 matchsticks. So let's write down. Let's try to find what is the pattern here. Okay, then only we can understand how many matchsticks will be there in pattern 37. Pattern 1 has got 3 matchsticks, which means 2 plus 1. Similarly, pattern 2 has got 5 matchsticks, which is 4 plus 1. Pattern 3 has got 7 matchsticks, so it is 6 plus 1. Pattern 4, until pattern 4 it's given in the figure, so let's understand the pattern 4. Pattern 4 has got, if you count, 9 matchsticks, which is 8 plus 1. We can now clearly see what pattern is emerging out of it. This is here 2 into 1 plus 1. Pattern 2 has got 2 into 2 plus 1. Pattern 3 has got 2 into 3 plus 1. Pattern 4 has got 2 into 4 plus 1. Similarly, we need to understand for pattern 37 how many matchsticks will be required. So for that, it will be 2 into 37 plus 1, right? Because see, if you here see a pattern 3 has got 2 into 3 plus 1, 3 for pattern 3. Pattern 4 has got 2 into 4, 4. Common point is for 4, here we are multiplying 2 with 4. For pattern 3, we are multiplying 2 with 3. Similarly, for pattern 2, we are multiplying 2, so on. So for pattern 37, we should multiply 2 with 37. So 37 into 2 is 74 plus 1. So it will be 75 matchsticks, right? So which answer will be correct? It will be option D. Option D says 75. So question number 28, just for more clear visibility, I am writing it again. Answer is option D, 75 matchsticks. Let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 29. Question number 29 says, if the digits 6 and 9 in this number are interchanged, then 1342 less than the new number formed is. So for this, first let's interchange the numbers. 2, 8, then comes here, instead of 9 we have to bring 6 here, right? And 9 has to go to the place of 6. So here I am writing again 6, 4, 2, 3 and 9. Okay. So what number it is? 28,64,239. This is the new number. Okay. And from this new number, we need to understand what will be the number which is 1,342 less. So we have to subtract here. This question is pretty simple. Only thing we have to do is carefully, then we won't make any mistakes. 9 minus 2 is 7. So here 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is 9. So what stays here after when I borrowed 1? Only 1 is here. So again I have to borrow from 3 here. It will become 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. What stays here after borrowing instead of 4? We have got 3 here. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 6, 8 and 2. So the number is 28,62,897. So the option A is the correct answer for this particular question number 29. Okay. So I am just rewriting the answer each time for better visibility, because it might not be visible in this question paper. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 30. Question number 30 says, which of the following is not an equivalent fraction of 17 by 19? So for an equivalent fraction, what do? Either we multiply the same number in the numerator and the denominator, or we divide the same number from the numerator and the denominator. Then we get the equivalent fraction of this fraction, right? So, if we have to understand option A is an equivalent fraction of 17 by 19, then we have to either multiply or divide, right? Here 119 by 178, both numerator and denominator are greater than 17 and 19, so definitely we need to divide. So 17, if you multiply with 7, what do you get? You get 1119, right? So if you divide 7 here with from 119 divided by 7, you will get 17. But if you divide by 7 in the denominator, if you divide 178 by 7, will you get 19? No, we won't get 19. So clearly option A is the correct answer, because the question is asking not an equivalent fraction. It's saving time actually, because option A itself, if you check, you see that it is not an equivalent fraction. Okay, but just for clarification, in real maths Olympiad exam, you can stop here by finding at option A only. But if you want to proceed and check for option B, which is 153 by 171, if you check here, if it's an equivalent fraction of 17 by 9, then yes, because if you divide with 9 here, what will you get? 9 into 9, 19 into 9 is 171. Similarly, 153, if you divide with 9, you will get 17, because 17 into 9 is 153, right? So option B is clearly an equivalent fraction. Similarly, C also is an equivalent fraction, D as well. Okay, you have to, I think, divide here by 6, both numerator and denominator, you will reach at 17 by 9 for option D. Similarly, here you have to divide by 8, both numerator and denominator, you will reach at 17 by 19. So option A, I'm just explaining, for explanation it's fine, but in question real exam, do not go for all this. Just check if option A is not an equivalent fraction, tick it and move to the next question. Okay.